Welcome to our video tutorial on using free Lisp routines for utility functions. Today, we'll explore 5 powerful utility Lisp routines that can make drafting your engineering drawings much easier. Before we dive into the routines, make sure to visit our free Lisp page on our website to download these Lisp files. Simply register and log in to get access. Once downloaded, you can place the FAS or DES files in any folder of your choice. To load these programs, use the Upload command in AutoCAD. Cloud Object. Create a callout, cloud-like object, around important text in the drawing. The Cloud CLD Lisp command is used to create a cloud-like shape around selected text with a defined radius. This is useful for highlighting important areas in your drawings. Load the program using the Upload command. Type CLD at the command prompt. Specify the arc radius, example 20. Pick points around the area in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction. Complete the operation by picking the first point again. Macros, a set of macros to speed up drawing editing. Using command prompt commands instead of icons can save you time. This program includes over 50 macros to streamline your workflow. Type LSET to change the current layer to the layer of the selected entity. Type QL to quickly create a new layer by specifying its name and color. Type off to switch off all layers except the current one. Refer to the documentation on our free Lisp page for a complete list of commands. List DXF details. List all DXF details of the selected entity. This Lisp routine is useful for developers needing DXF values of entities. It lists all the DXF details of the selected entity in a programmable format. Load the program using the Upload command. Type LDXF at the command prompt. Select the entity to display its DXF details. Multiply selected entities with a given multiplication factor. This Lisp routine is handy for converting measurements. For example, you can convert lengths from meters to feet using a multiplication factor. Load the program using the Upload command. Type MULT at the command prompt. Select the text entities to be converted. Enter the multiplication factor, example 3.28084 for meters to feet. Change layer to current. Change the layer of selected entities to the current layer. This Lisp routine allows you to change the layer of selected entities to the current layer using command mode. Load the program using the Upload command. Type LC at the command prompt. Select the entities to change their layer to the current layer. We hope you find these Lisp routines helpful for your projects. Don't forget to download these free Lisp files from our website. We also customize Lisp routines as per your requirements. Send a sample drawing to info@esurveying.net if you need a custom Lisp. Thanks for watching and happy drafting. Contact eSurveying Softtech if you want to see a free demonstration of our road infra suite or water infra suite.